So this is the emptying process for this Beko cleaner. I'm outside by my dustbin. There's a button here you have to press, very fragile. Let me just do that. And hey presto, nothing comes out. And if you look carefully, you might just see behind the label all of the dust clogged up inside. That's all fluff. If you look inside the nozzle, you'll also see completely blocked up, and yet in the chamber totally empty, nothing there at all. Here's the device I have to use. It's a bent cable, a bent wire. So what I'm going to have to do now is to go inside here with the cable and try and tease out. Ooh, turned it on. At least it's got charge. So now one has to go inside here with this piece of wire and pull the fluff out bit by bit. As you can see, ridiculously clumsy. Pick every bit out. It never comes out, won't ever fall out. You have to pick every little tiny piece out. In addition, as I said in the review, it blocks up, so also you have to pull all of the fluff out of the front, of which there's endless bits. This all blocks up the chamber, loss of pressure, of suction power. All of this stops the suction, doesn't go anywhere. Keep pulling it out. If you don't do it like this, it just doesn't come out. So it's a pretty useless system. Anybody who's got any mobility issues has got no chance. Any visual impairment, anybody who can't really see very well, has got no chance of emptying this. It basically is a complete and utter waste of time. I'm a bit disgusted that Which bothered to do a review on it, and it's a pretty poor device. So hope that helps. Just go and buy something else.